Good morning student, class 10th. Students, in last class I sent you a PDF of nutrition in animals. Due to some technical problems, I am not able to prepare video lecture, so I am sorry for that. Students, in that PDF you can say on the basis of nutritional habit, animals may be of different types. You can say herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, top carnivores. So that type of animals are presence of different feeding habit in their life. Students, in this class we will start the next topic of your chapter, that is holozoic nutrition, which is also mentioned in the nutrition topic. Holozoic nutrition in amoeba is the very important topic which very important from the board point of view. It is a very interesting topic and repeated coming in the board in last few years. So students, let us start holozoic nutrition in case of amoeba. So first of all, what is holozoic nutrition? Again revise. The holozoic nutrition is that type of nutrition in which organism takes solid food material and that solid food material which are intake by the organism are digested by following 5 steps, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation or egestion. So these 5 steps are involved in holozoic nutrition. Now some points about amoeba. What is amoeba? Amoeba is actually free living protozoans. This is a protozoa. What is about amoeba? Amoeba is a protozoa which is free living and mostly present in water or that type of areas. Their body is irregular and irregular shape of their body is due to presence of pseudopodia in their body. These pseudopodia are not fixed in position and they appear on the basis of requirement for the purpose of locomotion. Students, these pseudopodia arise from the body of the amoeba due to the phenomena of cyclosis, or you can say movement of cytoplasm inside the body of amoeba. This actually phenomena of movement of cytoplasm is cytoplasmic streaming, which takes place inside the body of amoeba, due to which a specific pressure of cytoplasm is generated on a particular point of the body of amoeba on which pseudopodia is appear. So pseudopodia is actually appear for the due to the function of cytoplasmic streaming or cytoplasmic movement inside the body of amoeba. These pseudopodia is actually what is pseudopodia? Pseudopodia is the locomotory organs of the amoeba which appears on the basis of requirement whenever amoeba need to move from one place to another place. Then pseudopodia appear due to the phenomena of cytoplasmic streaming which is takes place inside the body of amoeba, which takes place on that time when amoeba need to move from one place to another place. This need of movement of amoeba is due to the phenomena of nutrition. Whenever nutrition is required in amoeba, then amoeba need to move from one place to another place due to cytoplasmic streaming, and with the help of this phenomena a specific locomotory organ is appear inside the body of amoeba, which is called pseudopodia. And pseudopodia is what? It is the false feet. ये false feet है जो रिक्वायरमेंट के बेस पे अपीयर होती है, अदरवाइज अपीयर नहीं होती है. ड्यू टू दिस appearance of false feet on the any point of amoeba, the size and shape of the amoeba is irregular. Okay students, so these are the some points which is related to the amoeba. Now the holozoic nutrition in case of amoeba. So holozoic nutrition involve 5 steps. Holozoic nutrition involve 5 steps. First step is ingestion. Second step is digestion. And third step is absorption. Fourth step is assimilation. And last step is egestion. So there is the 5 steps which are involved in the holozoic nutrition in amoeba. So let us discuss one by one what happened in these 5 steps of holozoic nutrition in amoeba. The first step is ingestion. What is ingestion? Ingestion is the intake of food inside the body of amoeba. It is the ingestion. That means intake of solid food inside the amoeba. Intake of food in body of amoeba. अमीबा की बॉडी में जब फूड मटेरियल का इनटेक होता है, इनसाइड होता है, तो इसको हम लोग इंजेक्शन बोलते हैं. These intake of food material takes place with the help of pseudopodia. Pseudopodia capture the food material, and this intaked food material is sent to the food vacuole of amoeba. Vacuole, specific vacuole is present in the body of amoeba, which is actually called food vacuole, where phenomena of digestion takes place. Digestion takes place in food vacuole of amoeba, where numerous number of digestive enzymes are present. Digestive enzymes are present in the food vacuole of the body of amoeba. Now this intaked food material is transferred towards the food vacuole of the amoeba, where digestive enzymes, with the help of digestive enzymes, the breakdown of food material taking place, which is called digestion. Digestion is what? Digestion is the breakdown of food material to smallest part. So this phenomena is taking place in the food vacuole of the body of amoeba. Now students, this digestive enzymes completely digest the food material. That means there is a question arise, that is, what is digestion? Digestion is the complete breakdown of food material and food material converted into smallest part and prepare for next step, that is absorption. And what is absorption? Separation of nutrients from the food material. Separation of nutrients from the food material is called absorption. These separated nutrients are absorbed by the cell. These separated nutrients are absorbed by the cell is called absorption. So in the phenomena of absorption, separation of nutrients takes place for the purpose of their absorption by the cell. So in the absorption, separation of nutrients from food. Separation of nutrients from food takes place in this phenomena absorption. अब जो फूड डाइजेस्ट के बाद उसमें से जब न्यूट्रिएंट्स रिलीज हुए स्टूडेंट्स, तो वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स अब सेल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होंगे, क्योंकि सिंगल सेल ही है अमीबा यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है, यूकैरियोटिक है। तो उसी सिंगल सेल में न्यूट्रिएंट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होना है थ्रू आउट द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ द अमीबा. So this phenomena of separation of nutrients from the food for the distribution throughout the cytoplasm of the amoeba is called absorption. And distribution of nutrients, distribution of nutrients throughout the cytoplasm of the amoeba. Throughout the cytoplasm of the amoeba is actually called what? Assimilation. Now, students, after the removal or after the separation of nutrient from the food, now this type of food material in which nutrients are separated or released, the rest of the food material is actually called waste material. ऐसा फूड मटेरियल जिसमें से सभी न्यूट्रिएंट्स रिलीज कर दिए गए हों, निकाल दिए गए हों, वो फूड मटेरियल अब वेस्ट मटेरियल है. Now that type of waste material which presents inside the body is actually harmful for the body and which need to remove from the body. So removal of that type of waste material in which any nutrients are absent is called egestion. So students, removal of waste material. Removal of waste material from the body of amoeba is actually called what? Egestion. So you can say there is the complete holozoic nutrition in case of amoeba. This phenomena is also sent in the form of PDF with the help of there is some diagrams are also present which shows these 5 type of process. Students, I again repeat what is holozoic nutrition in amoeba and what type of 5 steps, how they are involved in holozoic nutrition in amoeba. Students, first of all, you need to understand the phenomena of appearance of pseudopodia in the body. I tell you that pseudopodia is the false feet which appear in amoeba according to their need. Whenever amoeba need to move from one place to another place for performing holozoic nutrition, then in their body cytoplasmic streaming phenomena of movement of cytoplasm takes place, due to which pseudopodia appear in that portion of the body through which it moves from forward direction. तो pseudopodia उनकी बॉडी में रिलीज होते हैं और इस पर्पस से रिलीज होते हैं कि वो फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आगे की तरफ मूव कर सके। और दिस pseudopodia, ऐसे pseudopodia जो रिलीज होते हैं उनकी बॉडी में, वो साइटोप्लाज्मिक स्ट्रीमिंग फिनोमेना के थ्रू रिलीज होते हैं। दैट मीन्स मूवमेंट ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म टेक्स प्लेस ऑन दैट डायरेक्शन वेयर need of pseudopodia is required. So with the help of these pseudopodia, they move forward direction towards their food material, and with the help of pseudopodia they capture the food material. This phenomena of capturing food material inside the body is actually called ingestion. So ingestion is what? Intake of food material in the body of amoeba is called ingestion. Now the second phenomena is digestion. Digestion is what? Digestion, I told you that complete breakdown of solid food material is actually called digestion. Digestion is the phenomena in which solid food material converted into its smallest particle. Because of presence of digestive enzymes in the food vacuole, this phenomena of digestion takes place in the food vacuole of amoeba. Due to presence of these digestive enzymes, with the help of these digestive enzymes, amoeba perform digestion, that means breaking down of solid food material into its smallest part. Now the third step is absorption. Absorption is what? Separation of nutrients from the solid food material is actually called what? Absorption. Separation of nutrients from solid food is, or digested food is called absorption. Whenever nutrients are separated from the food material, that type of nutrients are now required to distribute in the whole body of amoeba. This phenomena of distribution of nutrients in the whole body of amoeba is actually called assimilation. Now the rest of the part of food material in which no any nutrients are available, then that type of food material is called waste material for the body of amoeba, and removal of that type of waste material from the body of amoeba is actually called egestion. So these are the 5 steps which are involved in the holozoic nutrition in amoeba. Students, I hope you can understand these 5 steps. These 5 steps is again discussed in next class. In the holozoic nutrition in human being is the next class in which later the topic is discussed in next class. Okay students, Now we meet again in next class, holozoic nutrition in human being. Okay.